Okay, so let's talk a little bit about AMZSCOUT and answer the questions that you might be thinking. What is AMZSCOUT and how can it help you dropship? So this is going to take a little bit of overview, and what I want to show you is just what I would do if I was looking for a product, and I haven't pre-researched anything, so this may take a little bit, but it's good for you to see like authentic searching, because sometimes it works for some of the products you pick and sometimes it doesn't. So if I want to pick a product, this is how I would start. I have AMZSCOUT, and this is going to be quick, and I know you're going to still have questions after this video, but I'm just going to show you quickly. I'm going to take this extension, I'm just going to click it up here in the top right hand corner. I'm going to click on that. It's thinking, and it's going to pop some information up here in a second. Alright, so it pops up some information, and you're probably thinking, well, what in the world is that? It's telling me what is on my homepage based on my preferences from before, like stuff that I've either bought or searched. Just information on all these products. So basically what I'm going to do is, for drop shipping, they just added this. It's amazing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this. In any of these categories you can do that, and I'm going to show you details on how to do this later. But it's going to tell you how to find a product to sell. So it's telling you hot sales, and it's also listing 10 as 10 being the best of products that you could resell. You can also see some estimated revenues. So those are the two columns I really jumped to quick. And I'm just going to click on, let's see, something that might be hot. Let's do this 15 culinary herb something outdoors. Okay. So what I would do is click on this. Now, I also have something else working in the background, and that's called DSMTOOL. I'm not going to go into DSMTOOL right now, but basically what AMZSCOUT does is it brings products up that I can actually, we'll fill in the blanks later, but let's just talk about AMZSCOUT and is it worth it and how much it costs. So in general, right now, AMZSCOUT gives you this information. It gives you rankings, it gives you the BSR, like the bestseller rank. So where does a seller rank compared to other people in their category, the product score, the brand, the product name, the product, the link. I mean, it gives you so much information that helps take the guesswork out of whether or not an item's going to sell. So that's part of AMZSCOUT. Now if you click down on any of these, it's going to give you more information. So I clicked right here on this chart, it's going to give me a chart. If I click back over here on the 10, it's going to give me more information. So it is just scratching the surface when you see this, and you can go over to any of these and it's going to give you more information. Now what else does AMZSCOUT have? I want to take you to their website and show you the cost. Well, actually, let's close this down. I'm going to click there, and I want you to notice down in here, when you have AMZSCOUT Pro, all you have to do is click on that, and this is the extension up here, and this is the pop-up that pops up down here, and it gives you the same information. Now all of these tabs here also help you dig down into niches and how to list an item. So if you're into doing your own Amazon listings, I'll do a course on that eventually. But that's it in a nutshell. So check out the next video. I'm going to talk about what option for AMZSCOUT is best for you. Okay, so let's talk about AMZSCOUT and what could be good for you. So some of you are in this course and you want to do everything for free or as minimal amount of money as possible, and some of you are here saying, just show me what I need to pay, show me how to make it work, show me what's going to make me a profit. So you have money to invest in a business and you're ready to go. I'm going to talk about both levels and like even an in-between level. So if you are here, you're obviously wanting to make some profits. You've spent a little bit of money on my course, which I made it super cheap, so you get this information, and you have the money, the little bit of extra money that I didn't charge in my course, so you can upgrade into what you need to get for your software. So AMZSCOUT and DSMTOOL. So let's talk about AMZSCOUT and what you could get here. So the highest level would be the AMZ Sellers Bundle. So in other words, you're a person who says, yeah, I'm ready to make some money. I want to invest a little bit. I'm going to treat this as a business. I'm going to treat this as I'm going to make this a real good income source. So what I would suggest for you is to get the AMZ or Amazon Sellers Bundle. If that's not you and all you want to do is test this out, then go ahead and plug your information for your email into here and try it for free. I mean, anybody can do this. If you know the history of AMZSCOUT, you've been watching or following any of my videos and my YouTube channel, then you'll know what you're getting yourself into and you're ready to get going, then that's fine, then get started. Now, let's take a look at what this entails. So if you get the bundle, let's just start with the bundle, and those of you who want the Pro extension only, just, bear with me. Let's just take a look at what you would get if you got the bundle. So you're going to scroll down. You would click, and again, if you could use the link below in the description under the video and the course here, you are going to get like a lot of information. They're going to send you some product, top 1% product ideas. You're going to find niches. You're going to have a sorry about that, I had a bug go in my eye. So scroll down and you can see the different links you can click on to get the bundle, but just like, let's take a look. You're going to get a seller's course, which is cool. You're going to learn things that are actually more geared towards being an Amazon seller, an FBA, which is fulfillment by Amazon, where you get products. But my idea is to teach you drop shipping, to help you make some money drop shipping, as well as this Amazon bundle is going to teach you how to transition into a drop shipper, into an FBA sales. I think more money and easier hands off is within the FBA model. Now, I told you in the beginning at the course, and if you watch the video on me introducing myself, that I started off with eBay and transitioned into an FBA seller. So you're going to see what all of the things that are entailed in the bundle. So I'm going to click here and get the seller's bundle. I'm going to show you the prices so you can try it out. And this is what I did when I started. I started off with a month just to see if I would like it, and I was like, yeah, this is it. So I have the lifetime annual, so $25 a month. You're going to save 50% if you just jump right in and get your annual. Now, you're going to make that too. I know it seems like a lot, because when I started, $300 was like, whoa, I can't invest $300 because that's so much money. But like, I make that in days now. So it is worth the investment. You will make it back. You're going to get all this stuff. You're going to get the seller's course. You're going to get the Pro extension, insights, database, keyword tracker, quick view, and there's other extensions. So after this video, you're going to see how to, I'm going to start you off with it, how to add the Pro extension, and that'll get you started. But if these interest you, I'm telling you, try it out if you're hesitant, but then save your money and just jump in and get the whole, it's 50% off basically, and get that. Now I want to scroll down. I want to talk about some of the other tools you're going to get and some of the free tools that you're going to get. So if you scroll down here, these are other links that take you to all of the benefits that AMZSCOUT gives you. Keyword Explorer, keyword trackers, product keywords, Amazon tools. I mean, it gives you so much. I want to go back to this landing page here and scroll down to the bottom, and I want to show you the free tools. In the next videos, I'm going to show you how to install the fees calculator, the stock stats, and what's called a quick view, and the keyword tracker. So check out the next videos. I'm going to show you how to get into those free tools and get those loaded onto there. But in the meantime, if you want to upgrade, go ahead and do that now.